What's up mga ka-serve? Welcome to The Serve. I'm Boom Gonzalez. Lagi nyo kasama sa coverage and lahat ng volleyball na pag-uusapan. And if that's what you like, spike that notification below for more episodes. Okay, today, very special ang episode natin kasi I have with me Dugong Blue, Dugong Volleyball, Dugong Ravenna ang guest natin. At hindi lang siya mag-isa, nagdala siya ng backup kaya delikado to today. Maraming mapag-uusapan dahil marami siyang kasama. My co-host who honestly does not need an introduction. Hello, Danny.
Hello, Kuya Boom. Hi, mga ka-serve. Hello, everybody. I'm Danny Ravenna and I'll be Boom's co-host today. Today's episode is extra special. Actually, kulang yung extra. Madami.
Extra.
Sila, so extra special. So, we're not just gonna talk about volleyball, pero it's about our friendship, mga kasama ko, both on and off the court. Hindi pwedeng ako lang yung bida dito. Of course, kaya recruit talaga ako, the best people who know me well. And medyo kinabahan na ako nung narinig namin yung mga brief about this podcast. Parang ako, tama ba yung decision ko na sila yung pinili ko? But
ako rin
nevertheless,
kinakabahan ako, pero excited ako eh.
Pero I'm really excited. And if may mga ka-serve, ako naman may kabarkada. So let's welcome my partners in crime today, Faith Nesperas, Sheila Long-Isip, and Chenny Tagao.
Hi!
Paano yung partners in crime? Gusto ko malaman yung crime.
Parang i-ease way natin yung crime.
Paano nangyari yan? Kasi, okay, syempre sa volleyball, marami kami, mga fans na hindi alam in terms of whether it's friendships or other things, business partners, yung mga ganyan. How did this get together? Dahil magkakaiba kayong eskwela.
Yes.
Magkakaibang
Ako
background.
definitely, I'll start it off with Faith has been my my teammate since college. Ishi and
So marami
Jenny.
kayong crimes.
Si Faith,
for
yung
sure.
mga alam niyang OG crimes ko. Na hanggang ngayon siguro hindi pa alam.
We put that, of course,
Yeah.
in joke
The
lang.
best,
Joke.
yeah.
Yes.
And
Adventures.
Ayun yung mga secrets ko in college na. Si Faith lang. Siyempre, younger siya sa akin eh. So hindi siya pwede magsumbong kasi kundi lagot kami lahat.
Until today.
Until today. Sa pro kasi wala na ate-ate. Wala akong same level
Dito
na
siya babawi daw.
I know. I can't wait
Lagot
for
ka
that.
mamaya.
And then,
Ayan yung Chenny and Ishi naman. Of course, I met them here sa pro and I'm so excited kasi just like, I think in any sport, the relationship goes beyond the court. It's also the people na, alam mo yun, at the end of a long training day, the fact na you still wanna hang out with these people says a lot about how they are, yung personality nila. Kasi lahat naman tayo alam natin kung gaano kapagod and ka-draining mentally yung sport natin. And even though it's such a blessing to be,
Of course,
a volleyball player in this
Tao
generation, di ba? Tao lang rin kami napapagod. Pero sila rin yung tinatakbuhan ko after, a long day, a loss, a big loss. So, it speaks, I think, so much about not only our friendship, but their personalities as well.
So sila yung pinupuntahan mo
yeah,
talaga.
definitely.
Kayo ba? Siya ba pinupuntahan?
Hindi ka sure.
Parang,
Tell us about Danny as a friend. Sige nga, Faith, you start since you have the longest relationship.
Well, si Danny, actually, naging captain ko siya in season 84. And that time,
Pandemic
it
season
was
yan,
a
no?
pandemic season.
Right.
So, it was kind of hard kasi bigla na lang kaming tumanda all of a sudden.
In what way? What do you mean?
Like, naging senior
Kasi
na
hindi
lang.
mo na skip. Okay.
Yeah, and the experiences na we should have had, we missed 2 years. And having Danny as a captain that time, I had someone to like process everything. Ganon. And it was, actually, nagulat ako na she's wise pala. Yung ganon.
Judger.
Judger. Ginudge.
Binigaw hindi rin ako, like, when you see me, I'm this, very loud, very, like, I just laugh a lot. I don't really want to take stuff too seriously, even though if it's, like, training. Pero,
May sense pala. Yun
yeah,
ang sinasabi.
yun sabi ni
Ayan,
Faith. Nakita niya rin pala yung responsible side ko.
Nax!
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Talaga.
Chen, oh.
Sa akin nung
Nanggigigil magsalita. Nanggigigil magsalita.
Partita siya pa
ikaw.
yung nahihiya kanina, guys. Pagpasok niya dito,
Parang
tahimik na
ayaw.
ayaw
Oo,
niya.
pero ngayon, ito, ayaw nang bitawan ng mic. Sige, Chen. Go, banat. Banat.
Sa akin naman po, nagka-close lang kami ni Ate Dani nitong pro pagpasok ko sa Akari. And ayun nga, isa siya sa mga, alam mo yung tao na kahit sobrang pagod ng ensayo, wala kang maririnig sa kanya. Hindi ka makakarinig ng, ay, nakakapagod. Hindi siya ganun tao. Parang,
Hindi yung totoo, Chen. Sige, pwede ka magsabi ng totoo.
Ito, Chen mo.
Lako lang.
wow. Talaga yung totoo.
Okay, okay.
Wala kang maririnig sa kanyang reklamo na, ay, nakakapagod. Ay, bakit hindi namin gagawin? Wala. Yun, doon ko siya nakilala. Sa daming, knowing Ate Dani, daming bashers niya, di ba? Pero,
Wala. Talaga?
may mga nababasa kasi ako sa, nung hindi pa ako naglalaro ngayon sa pro. So, ayun, parang sinabi ko rin na hindi ko dapat paniwalaan kung ano yung sinasabi ng ibang tao kasi hindi ko man kilala yung isang tao.
Right.
Ayun.
Hanggat na na-expose ka na at nakilala mo
Ayun,
na.
nakilala ko siya na.
Oo, mas malala pala.
Mas malala.
At paano naman nasabit itong si Ishi dito? Yan ang magandang tanong dyan.
Nakita lang kami sa Pasig Market, tapos nag-click na kami.
Sa palengke. Seryoso? Doon kayo unang nag-inirman? Pero talaga nagpunta kayo?
Yes.
Oh, ayan. Klaruin natin yan, ha?
Bonding namin na malengke.
Namamalengke.
Teammate
Okay.
nga po sila na Chenny. So, ayun, parang sila yung group of friends sa team nila. So, yung mga friends ni Chenny, nakaka-close ko na din. And
Parang mas close pa niya yung mga
Yes.
friends ko.
So, nagre-reklamo
Nataboy
ka,
na
gano'n?
namin.
yes, kami talaga
Nagre-reklamo siya.
original. Ganon.
Kami na ni
Ayun
Ishi.
nga, parang hindi naman kami ganun, parang everyday nagsasama or pantagal lang magkakilala. Pero parang ang bilis namin din maging close ni Ate Dani.
So, hindi nyo na sinasama
Oh,
si Chen?
tapos
Yes.
nag-hangout na kami, hindi nakasali si
Hindi wala ako kasama, no?
Siya na lang
Hindi
yung
na
sabi.
pala sinasama. Kami na lang.
Yeah.
Okay
Nasa
na.
ibang team pala ako.
Ako, feeling ko, simula pa lang, mukhang mahaba-haba itong pag-uusapan natin ng mga kaibigan mo, friends. Okay.
For sure.
Okay? So, I can't wait to hear more of the stories kasi, meron tayo dun sa pinag-uusapan natin na yung barkadahan nyo, di ba? So, we have this segment we call First Serve, the first serve ng friendship nyo. Okay, guys, so let's embark on that friendship journey. Eto na. Ipapasa ko na.
Yes.
Didig ko na. Pasa ko na yung bola sa'yo. Ako manonood at makikinig at hihirit na lang ako
Yay.
dito. Ikaw na ang
I'm so
bahala sa mga
excited
kaibigan
for
mo.
this.
Let's go.
Thanks, Boom. Sige,
Yeah.
ako na nga. Alam nyo, parang hindi kompleto kung ako lang ang magkukwento din dito. Kaya gusto ko marinig from you guys. Kayo mismo ang magsasabi kung, share our experiences together, how we started. But I'm also curious kasi kung I know me and Faith, we've been teammates, but I also have, I don't know everything about you, how you started, not just in volleyball, but, as a kid, I'll start with you, Faith. I'm curious kasi, guys, knowing Faith, she's like wise beyond her years. She's that person for me, na parang, even though she's younger, she calls me ate, but I actually go to her for advice. I go to her when, I just want new perspectives on things. So that's Faith for me, so.
So, before I actually became an athlete, I didn't consider being an athlete. I never really wanted to become a athlete.
Yeah.
Kasi yung personality ko before, introverted. I only hang out in the library, alone with my books.
Pareho pala tayo.
Yeah.
Pero wala akong books. Hangout lang.
Hangout lang.
Aircon.
Sa aircon lang.
Aircon.
Go ahead.
Yeah,
Sorry.
ayokong mainitan, yung ganun. And it's just my dad kasi who was a triathlete before. And he said na, sayang height mo, let's give it a try. Kasi yung PE teacher ko din that time, she said na, I was only in grade 2, she said na, oh, why don't you try? But then, yun nga, other health factors got in the way. I was asthmatic. And talagang sakitin ako. Until now, sakitin ako.
Ganun, ha?
Yeah, and kaya thinking back, sabi ko, how did I become an athlete? And I was glad na my parents, like, they were really very encouraging na I was complaining na ayoko, nakakapagod, masakit, ganyan. And my dad would always say na, sa una lang yan, masasanay ka lang din. Just keep going. And here I am, right now.
Naalala mo yung first interaction yun, dalawa? Yan ang, you know, I just realized, do you remember your first words to each other?
The picture
first?
you posted. Yung main,
yeah.
yung
We were-
first time niya mag-try out
Yeah.
and training sa Ateneo College, I think, patapos pa lang siya ng high school. nun.
Yeah.
And nakita na, ang galing nga eh. Kasi even ngayon sa Akari, magkatabi kami sa warm-up. Kasi pag sa warm-up, di ba, bilog.
Bilog,
Tapos
oo.
random yon kahit sino makatabi mo. Pero pag nag-warm up, so, hindi namin sinasadya, pero magkatabi kami lagi.
Magkatabi kami.
Then, nakita namin yung picture in college.
Yeah,
Tapos
back in- back in
Hindi ba kami
2019?
nag-uusap siguro noon? Pero kami na mismo yung magkatabi sa circle. So, that's just like a nice memory kasi I think, you know, God has His way rin of like aligning.
Oh, tsaka energies yan
Yeah,
eh, di ba? That,
exactly.
that draw each
The same,
other.
yeah.
Naalala niyo yung first conversation? Do you remember what you talked about? Or had the hi, hello? Ano ba?
For sure, it was just a high.
For sure, kasi no,
Hi.
very introvert,
Mahiyain, oo nga.
hiyain eh. Tapos, for me personally, nung narinig ko yung name ni Faith, she's obviously one of like the best talents na. So,
Recruit, yeah.
syempre, yung first thought ko in my head, ay, medyo baka ano to mayabang to. Pagdating ng college, syempre, ano na ako nun eh. Medyo, ano na ako nun, sophomore year na ako.
Yeah,
So,
sophomore.
sabi ko, hindi na ako magpapaano dito. Medyo hindi naman ako senior, pero alam mo, I'm not like a rookie na.
Correct,
So,
yeah.
in my head, I'm like, I'm not gonna let this rookie, you know, be like this person. But when I met her, parang the opposite na parang she's so quiet. She's not, I thought na parang siya yung magiging, you know, her competitiveness when I see her in the court. It's gonna be like, ganon na off the court. But then she's there, sa gilid lang siya, ganyan, pag water break, tahimik lang siya. Tapos,
Yeah.
kung may mag-hi sa kanya, mag-hi siya, pero hindi siya yung, hi guys, yung ganun. Kasi
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
how she is. She's very,
Hindi siya social
Yeah,
butterfly. Kumbaga,
introvert.
parang gano'n. Right.
I think
No, and I don't
opposite
say that in a
in
bad way.
negative
Parang
way,
gano'n, may
definitely.
taong gano'n eh.
siguro doon yun kami naging, as you said, yung energies namin nag-align kasi opposite eh. Yung parang tahimik, tas ako ito sobrang ingay, sobrang like, diba? And it just grew eventually na hindi na siya naging just a teammate. She also became, even though again, if I'm older than her, just felt na we were just the same age. I don't even consider myself an ate when I'm around, not just Faith, but them. Kasi ako rin yung type na I'm not the type to be na, oh, do this, oh, gawin nyo to, kahit ako yung mas matanda, hindi, ganito yung tama. Yung parang gusto ko rin na nakikinig sa mga mas bata sa akin. Kasi, you know, everybody has a lot of like, iba-ibang perspective in life. Like ako, iba yung pinanggalingan ko, iba yung hugot nila in volleyball, iba yung drive
buhay
nila,
in
diba?
general,
Sa
yeah.
buhay in general. So para ako, it's also nice to surround yourself with different kinds of people
course.
because they can bring so much, like so much lessons in life, and that's why it's such a blessing to be surrounded with them and with Faith nga, so, you know, we started in college, so
Yeah,
until now in Akari, still the same
Ano,
Faith.
kumbaga, it stood
Parang
the test.
nagiging ano na siya, social butterfly na siya.
Gano'n.
Kaysa sila.
Ay, maganda yan, maganda
Grabe
yan.
na siya ngayon.
I want to ask that. So,
Yeah.
have you evolved a little bit, you think,
A butterfly.
from your, di ba? From a caterpillar. Hindi, pero kumbaga, ayoko naman sabihin nag-improve kasi
Yeah,
pangit
yeah.
sabihin yun. Parang, di ba? But,
negative.
nag-evolve ka lang ba na mas, do you feel more comfortable around people? Ayun na
Yeah,
lang.
that's
ganun?
for sure. Mas naging comfortable ako. And like, having Danny as like, someone to look up to na, okay, she can be like that in the social setting. Maybe I can also do that. And that's why I always tell her na I'm thankful to have a friend like her. Na parang, okay, it shows na it's okay. Just be you. Yung ganon in a social setting. Kaya, yeah.
Okay, sige, let's talk about first interactions. Oh,
Parang
yan.
yan,
Gusto ko yan eh.
ready.
Gusto ko yan eh. Oh.
Ready si Chenny dito. Si Chenny naman for, you know, she started with Akari just a few months ago,
Right.
not less than a year.
Yep.
But the moment na she entered Akari, it was definitely like, alam mo yung parang, Ishi, sorry pero alam mo yung
Meron
okay lang,
apology.
love at first sight as a friend.
Okay,
yung parang
yeah.
you just saw
Ah,
that,
okay,
yung
okay.
parang, oo, yung gano'n, yung parang, ay, ano ka dyan, perfect ka dyan. Like,
Talaga? Right away?
It's surprisingly, kasi, surprisingly, I say it in a way na parang, akala ko rin kasi hindi siya yung tipong makulit. I always see her in college na parang, even though nag-abot kami in college, pero like, a year lang or
Rookie.
rookie pa lang siya, ganun.
Rookie
so,
ako nun.
not really, yung super matagal nagsama. But, when I met Chen, it was really like, she's so funny, tapos, gusto ko yung ganun yung parang, funny ka, pero pag trabaho tayo, trabaho.
Yun
So, yung
talaga.
mga ganun tao, ayoko rin masyadong serious, kasi, ang hirap na maging, mag-training pag, alam mo yun, ang daming,
Mabigat din.
yeah. And, kanya-kanya tayong personality, but I guess, mas nag-click.
Nag-match.
Yeah,
Kumbaga,
nag-match
nag-match,
kami
oh.
ni Chenny na parang, okay, makikita mo kami sa gilid. Buti nga walang video camera lagi sa training. Kasi sometimes meron.
Oy,
But sometimes
yun ang kala mo.
Yeah. Coach T. Pero makikita mo kami dun sa gilid, nagtatawanan kami.
Puro kami
dalawa.
Ikaw,
tawa.
sige,
Parang-
ano naaalala mo, Chen? Ano naaalala mo sa that first few times or first time?
Nung una, parang hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya kausapin kasi nga lahat sila bago sa akin. Parang, paano ko kaya i-approach tong mga to? Kasi nga, never ko pa naman silang nakausap.
Parang kang rookie na naman, sa college. Parang ganun ulit.
Oo, ganito pala ulit yung feeling na rookie. Kasi nung rookie din po ako, parang yun nga sinabi ni Ate Faith, bigla akong na-senior.
Dahil nga same, nangyari.
Yung ibang seniors namin, nagsialisa na dahil sa pandemic.
Pandemic, eh.
Tapos ayun, yung una talaga, sabi ko, paano kaya kakausapin tong mga to? Tapos biglang, ewan ko, hindi ko matandaan, basta bigla lang lumapit siya ata, tapos nagtanong siya about, kasi nga bago yung coach namin, tapos coach ko siya ng college. Sabi niya, paano kaya humandle si Coach T ng ganito, ganyan. Ayun, shinare ko sa kanya, nagtuloy-tuloy. Share lang, ganun. Tapos, umabot ng buwan, bigla-bigla nang titingin ko sa kanya, tatawa siya. Kasi may isa kaming coach na sobrang kulit rin. Si
Coach Doy.
Sino yan? Si
Okay.
Coach Doy. Tapos
Pangalanan yun. Pangalanan natin.
Name drop.
Oo, si
Hello.
Coach Doy, parang unting gaganyan-ganyan. Wala na, tatawa na kami dalawa. Sabi ko, ayun na naman siya, ayun na naman siya.
Si Coach
Oo,
Doy sa college.
Sa FP.
Yeah.
Ayun, sa nagtuloy-tuloy hanggang ngayon, baliw pa
Siya na
rin
yung
siya.
tinitingnan ko, tumatawa na ako,
Oo.
ganyan.
In other words, baliw kayo.
Yeah,
Yun lang
easy
yun.
for each other. That's
Yung
life.
May times na ensayo na sobrang galit na yung mga coach namin. Hindi yung parang, hindi na sa time na mag-joke ba, pero titingin lang ako sa kanya. Tatawa na lang kami na lang. Sige, tawa lang
Hindi
natin
nyo
to.
ma-help na
Hindi namin ma-help. Tapos parang feeling ko sometimes, yung mamali lang nung tingin yung coach namin sa amin.
Oo
Tapos
nga.
tumatawa kami. Feeling ko papagalitan talaga. But so far naman, hindi pa nangyayari yon. Kaya abangan natin.
Sana hindi mangyari.
Tingnan natin.
Tingnan natin.
Si Ishi, okay.
Yeah, ito
First
na.
interaction with Danny.
Of course,
Ano
ako
na?
si Ishi. Again, with Chenny,
Yes.
diba? Naging friend ko si Chenny. So obviously,
Oh, no choice ka. Magiging
No
friend ko si
choice.
Ishi. Parang gano'n.
yeah, no choice si Ishi. Pero surprisingly, ako
Tanggapin
kasi,
ko na to.
surprisingly, kasi ako rin yung tipong, I also find it fun to meet new people, especially pag other team. Kasi feeling ko volleyball is such a competitive sport now na even sa social media, parang kahit hindi naman, wala namang tension yung mga tao.
Nagkakaroon?
Because, like, it's inevitable naman na, alam mo yun, yung team na to is not okay with the team na to, and they don't really know what's going on behind
Internally, yes,
internally.
yes. I
Na wala
always say that.
talaga. So,
Yeah.
I think that builds some sort of tension to, like, meet other players. Kasi parang, hala, hindi mo alam kung okay ba sila sa'yo,
Right,
ganyan.
right.
So, when I met si Ishi, never ko rin na-feel na I had to be careful. Obviously, different team siya. And even if when we hang out together, that's the last thing we want to talk about.
Volleyball.
Is volleyball. We'll talk about volleyball, but nanonood tayo ng FEU, yung gano'n, ibang team, college. Because I think volleyball just helps us, like, come together, like, have our similarities. But beyond that, hindi na siya competitive for us, eh. Kaya namin i-differentiate yung pagiging player namin from Macari, pagiging player niya from Signal. That's her world. We have our world. But pag nagkasama kami, it's just parang fresh feeling na, okay, there's this new person na obviously, I don't know what's going on with her daily life. She's also, you know, an athlete and I know na may mga paghuhugutan kami na same and mga differences namin. But when I met her, it's just like natural.
Good energy.
Yeah, good energy and it's not something forced.
Yeah.
And I really love when I have friends na I can cheer on also. From kahit na depende
Ibang
lang.
team,
Pag hindi ko
oh.
siya
Pag hindi,
kalaban.
oo.
Hindi, kahapon tayo.
Na nangyari, na nangyari recently.
Na
nangyari recently, tama.
One
Sige.
up si Ishi nun eh.
Oo
One
nga,
up siya
oo.
sa aming tatlo. Pero,
Ito na, lumalabas na yung totoo. Ishi, ikaw, ano naalala mo? First interaction with Danny?
Yung first interaction po talaga namin ni Ate Dani is nung sinundo niya kami sa condo namin. So, yun, ang plano
Ganyan
po
siya
talaga.
kabait. Sinusundo pa niya kami.
May plano na po kasi talaga kami noon. Like, magluluto tayo, di ba? Magluluto. Tapos biglang, naiba yung plano.
kasi sa akin. Spontaneous kasi ako eh. So, tara, ganyan.
Yes. Nag-watch lang kami ng TV, ng Netflix. Tapos ang plano nga pa is magluluto, kaya kami nag-wet market noon. Ang saya-saya pa namin sa market, namimili kami ng
Bili
shrimp
kami.
dyan, yes. Pagdating sa bahay, hala, what's your order daw?
Sabi ko, di naman daw magluto.
Nag-order na lang
So,
kami.
namalengke
Oo,
kayo.
te,
Tapos,
namalengke kami.
nag-order na lang kayo online
Yeah.
ng pagkain.
Di ba? Ang galing niya.
Bakit?
Hihimay na
Kaya-
siya ng shrimp.
shrimp.
Nilinisan ko na yun. Tapos bigla niya sinabi, hindi, bitawan mo yan.
Sabi ko,
O-order tayo.
Sabi ko, natin lang tayo TV, tapos order ko na lang yung food natin.
Nice.
Kasi sabi ko, parang bonding. Yun in my head, sabi ko bonding, pero syempre galit na yung isa dito. Kasi sayang
Nag-start
yung
na siya,
effort, ganyan,
oo.
nagkaano na siya.
Excited pa ako
Namalengke
kasi
pa.
magluluto.
Pero I think it's the bonding rin talaga na what brought us like a lot closer.
Yes, you wanted to say Ishi.
Apo. Tapos ayun, unexpected lang din na magiging parang ang gaan lang nung feeling. Kahit first time lang namin magkasama ni Ate Dani. Tapos, ayun, like, nagsishare din kami na experience namin from our teams and experience before. Tapos, same nang sinabi niya na parang hindi siya forced. Tapos, ayun po, parang ang tagal na namin din nagkasama before. Pero hindi talaga, like, first time pa lang yun. Tapos, ayun
First time
po.
pa lang, nagbago na naisip, ano kagad.
Ayun,
Basta pala.
nagising na siya. Pala.
First time pa lang, parang sige, kayo na yung close, kayo na lang.
Kami na lang. Ayun.
Okay. Sige, eto magandang tanong to. We'll start with Faith. Ako, handa ka na ba, Danny? What's one thing or fact about Danny na tingin mo walang ibang nakakaalam? I'm sure madami. Na walang nakakaalam, ikaw lang. Ang unang nakadiscover or ikaw lang nakakaalam? Na pwede mong banggitin, of course.
Ano kaya?
Nako!
Kabahan ka.
Kinakabahan na ako sa inyong tatlo.
Okay, so, ayan, behind a very loving and strong na,
Persona.
persona, she's actually really, like, caring, soft siya inside. Like, she's, siya eh, like, alam mong she cares. She cares for you. Something like that.
Okay.
Kasi sa sobrang tagal na namin nagkasama, people often see her as parang, alam mo, unshakable. Which is, totoo, unshakable siya. Pero deep inside, you know she cares na softy pa rin siya inside. And, yeah, na-prove ko yun kasi lately, nagsama kami. And, whenever we talk about stuff, like anything, nakikita ko na a deep, caring, and thoughtful woman. Yan. That's,
Thanks,
yeah.
Chen, ikaw. Sige.
Sa akin naman, yung sinabi ni Ate Faith, talagang sobrang caring ni Ate Dani. And also, natutunan ko kay Ate Dani na, pwede ba? Sabihin to?
Wait lang.
Alam
Hindi
mo,
kasi,
pag nagtatanong ka ng ganyang tanong,
Pwede ba?
kailangan mo sabihin.
Hindi kasi parang, ayun nga, may siya ngayon, may partner siya ngayon, and then,
Grabe yung tao. Grabe yung ngiti.
Emphasis na ngayon kasi may partner siya ngayon. Bukas
Okay.
din natin. Bukas
Okay.
din natin
kasi
sure.
parang kahit ganyan siya, nakikita nyo na parang, yun nga, a strong woman. Charing. parang pabebe yan siya sa jowa niya.
Baby girl.
Pabebe. Parang gusto niya lagi.
Papalambing lang.
Yan, ganyan. Parang, bakit laging lagi?
Nakikita
Ganon siyang tao. And then, sobrang maasahan mo din siyang tao kung may pagkukwentuhan kayo, talagang sa inyo lang din. Ganon lang siya. Parang hindi makakalabas sa iba, ganon. Ganon lang.
Ishi, meron ka ba? Meron ka bang baon?
Oo, may baon niya.
I see Ate Dani as a hardworking person. Like, sa volleyball din, parang si Chenny kasi nagkikwento sa akin about sa'yo. So, yun, parang same tayo, te. Parang hindi tayo tumitigil.
Parang ihahatpat mo kami mamaya.
Kaya, paano mo nilibre ako ng hot dinner hot
Like, you also do extra works, ganyan. And outside volleyball, ang dami mo ding parang mga ginagawa din for yourself also. So, ayun, nakikita ko rin sa'yo na isa kang mom figure. As a mom,
Mom.
yeah.
Mommy.
Ganun din naman ang mami mo rin kasi.
Okay, yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
Your mom was also
Ma-
like
idol
that to
ko.
a lot of people.
Kaya na-inspire ka rin sa mama mo. Kaya, little Mamuzi.
Si Mom. Ako talaga ang ano.
Yun ang
Totoo,
nanay.
totoo.
Yeah.
Ito, gusto ko malaman. Is there anybody na wala dito nakasama din sa grupo?
Meron.
Ba?
Yeah.
Parang nasa ano.
Hindi, di ba ko, cannot be with us and all that for what reason or another. Pero ito ba yung solid na group? Sino pa yung para lang malaman
Yung sa,
natin?
well, ako kasi I define them as like, not like group lang kami, na kami lang nagsasama.
Oo.
But these are the people na really like know me on and off the court. And also like sila Ivy, yan yung mga,
Ivy Lacsina,
Ivy Lacsina, yan yung mga nakasama ko. Si Ivy kasi nakasama ko siya from NextLed.
That's
when we were
right.
in
Oo nga
NextLed.
pala,
Also
tama.
si Moy.
Okay, yes,
Camille
yes.
Ka,
Cam.
nakasama ko sa NextLed.
NextLed,
And
tama.
then Akari rin. So, you know, I think those, especially moments where I feel my lowest, and then I was able to find these people. That's why I treasure them a lot. Is because sila rin yung reason kung ba't nandito pa rin ako, naglalaro ako. You know, day-to-day basis, it's not always easy. It's not always, you know, sunshines and rainbows, as you can see. Even though dream namin yung sport na to, it has its, you know, downside rin. But during those times, those dark times, sino yung mga natutulungan ko? And honestly, those are moments na sure ako na ito yung taong
Core.
yeah.
Your
kahit
core.
pagtanda ko, ito yung mga kasama ko.
Speaking of, nasubukan na ba tong friendship na to? Na-test na ba siya?
Feeling ko, kasi nga, I'll speak for, kasi bago pa lang sila,
Correct.
Ishi
Yeah,
and si Chenny.
Okay, yung dalawa. Okay.
Oh, I think it's more of
Marami na
fate.
kayo.
Na-test ba?
Ayan na. Ayan
Sa
na.
college, siguro na-test kaming dalawa.
Yeah.
Kayong dalawa. Okay,
Us against
okay.
the world.
I don't know.
But not against each other naman.
Never against each other.
okay.
But like, I think umabot sa point na parang nagda-doubt. Well, personally, parang people are making me doubt my friendship with her. And I made it a choice na, no, like, whatever they're saying, I don't think they really know how Danny is naman. So, that's how it was tested. And I said, no, I don't think so.
And hanggang ngayon, buo pa.
Yeah,
Okay.
like, we protect each other.
Yeah.
Ayun,
Yeah, we
importante
protect
yan.
each
Importante
other.
yan. Okay, grabe. Iba rin na pakinggan yung mga origin stories na tong group na to. I'm sure your life, Danny, as well as your friends have never been the same since you got together. Kaya let's dive in a bit dito sa inyong pagsasama.
Okay guys, so dito na tayo sa dive in. 3 sets lang to ng questions pero habang tumatagal, mas lumalalim ang usapan. Kada round or set, pipili kayong 3. Ikaw, Ishi, Faith, and Chenny. Kung odd man or even, kayo na bahala. Kaya guys, pick nyo. Let's start with, para maiba, let's start
Game.
with Ishi.
Kakaalaman na.
All fun and games.
All fun and games.
Sa fun and games tayo. All fun and games. So, odd or even. Tapos pili ka number.
Even.
Okay, so it's 2 or 4-2. Okay, sige. Kung hirap, ako magbabasa. Kung kailangan mong ireto ang kabarkada mo, anong mga selling point nila at bakit?
irereto ko si Ate Dani.
Oh, bakit hindi? Bakit hindi?
Uy, taken na
Mas
ako.
maganda yan.
Hala!
Hypothetical lang. Hypothetical.
Kaya pwede ba? Feel ko if irereto ko si Ate Dani, I accept her, physical aspect. She's so sexy and her booty is big.
Oh my God!
Sorry.
Ano sabi ni Ariana? That booty though.
Booty daw.
Sakto.
That booty daw.
Yeah.
Other than that, ano pa
Yeah.
selling
Her
point?
personalities
Okay,
kasi.
okay, good,
Yan.
good. Sige.
Number 1 is,
Meron may listahan si Ishi.
Oh.
she's so caring.
Okay.
Yan. And pag naging jowa mo siya, aasikasuhin ka talaga niya. Uunahin ka niya, priority ka
Diyos ko
niya,
po.
ganyan. Totoo ba?
Diyos ko po, Diyos ko po.
Daming nag-aano dito.
Reklamo.
Loving kasi yun.
Yeah, yun. She always makes you a priority.
Okay.
And of course, I think na ipaparamdam niya sa'yo palagi kung gaano kanya ka-love. So,
Diyos ko
yun.
po.
May suicide comment.
Ngayon, nakikita
Don't
kasi-
worry, you'll have your chance. Chen.
Okay,
Have
eto
your
na.
chance. Sige, sino? Ikaw, mamili.
Next, ikaw, Shani.
Okay. Sa All Fun and Games ba? Pa rin
Ikaw
ba?
na.
Sige, yung number 3.
Number 3. Add
Yes.
tayo. Add.
Odd naman.
Sige, ako magbabasa. Share naman kayo ng isang favorite memory nyo as a barkada, yung tipong tingin mo ay winner in terms of core memory.
Ay, sa akin yung
Meron sagot, oh.
Meron siya. Perfect.
yung pumunta kami ng airport. Alam niyo yung oras yun?
May hatid.
May hatid kami sa airport ng
Okay.
alas 4 ng madaling
Uy,
araw.
parang mamamalengke lang.
Tapos may ensayo
Fresh.
kami ng umaga.
Ng 8.
Yes, yun. Parang, for me, kasi nga, friend ko siya, parang sinabi niya sa amin na, pwede bang samahan niyo ako, ganito, ganyan. Sabi ko, may choice naman kami na humindi.
Pero parang wala.
Pero hindi, kasi noong time na yun talaga, inisip ko na, parang nagsa-start na rin, na-build namin yung friendship namin ni Ate Dani, ni Ate Ivy. So, ayun, sinabi ko, why not na sumama ako para alam ko din kung ano yung kinahiligan nila, kung bakit nagiging ganito yung bonding din nilang dalawa. So, ayun, sinamahan ko siya kahit madaling araw.
And knowing Chenny,
No
kasi,
choice,
Oo,
ano
kasi-
niya yan, ano sa kanyang sleep.
Oo,
Kailangan
sobrang
yung
importante sa akin yung
rest
sleep.
niya.
Na parang saktong 8 hours, 7 hours. na parang
Kaya
ayokong
na-appreciate
gumising
ko talaga.
ng ganitong. Pero
appreciate ko na pumayag lang si
kasi napaalam ka na na.
Baka mamaya, hindi alam eh.
Kasi kailangan mag-agree eh.
Siyempre.
Tapos sabi, bakit ang aga? Hindi, mahihatid lang.
Merong ang dadaan.
Dadaan mo na bago
Kaya
sige
thank you rin kay Aishi kasi pumayag siya. Kasi nakasama si
Okay,
Chenny.
okay.
So,
sige.
ayun, happy ako na nakasama ko si Ate Dani ng mga ganong
Huwag na natin alamin
senaryo.
yung mga detalye ng mga alas 4 ng umaga at kung
Bakit
sino.
lang yun?
Sige, okay. Alright, si Faith naman.
Okay, Faith.
Okay,
May
number
1 and
4.
4, no? Okay, 4. Sahin natin. If may official theme song, kayo, ano yun?
The first thing that popped in my head. Alam mo yung sa ano?
Ay, Kinakabahan ako.
Alam mo yung,
Ba't ka kinakabahan kasi kakantahin mo?
Baka bigla
alam mo yung sa Toy Story?
You've got a friend. Akala ko na sa
Okay.
pang twerk eh.
yung,
Akala ko
yung next page, please sing.
Kaya nga, please, sample.
Sample.
I think it says, why?
Oh,
I
okay.
1, 2, 3, go. You got a friend in me. Hindi to yung tono, pero ito yung lyrics. You got a friend in me.
Yun lang yung alam kong part.
Okay. Good answer. Very good answer. Okay. Lipat tayo.
Okay, next. Sa Growing Pains
Growing
naman.
Pains.
Oh.
Sino gusto mo
Ishi.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Jersey number 6 siya eh.
Wala. Kung gagawin nating life coach si Danny for one day, ano yung coaching point niya sa'yo na tumatak at nagbago sa laro or sa mindset mo?
Maging, siguro, marunong mag-adjust sa life. And, you know how to, parang deal sa daily struggles, ganyan. Kasi parang, kunyari today, happy day, then biglang the next day, it's not yung according sa plans mo. Parang, ano lang, strive ka lang ng strive kasi the next day, it's another day, another new
chance.
day. Yeah. So, hindi naman like every day is a bad day. Lagi talagang may dadating na good sa life. Hindi ka mag-stay din sa point na yun. Yun, you just need to be optimistic lang din.
Wise nga, wise.
Yes.
Actually, I'd like to add yun
Sige,
kay
go.
Ishi. Kasi I've seen her play and, having this friendship now, also, share niya rin yung struggles niya. Pero pag nakita mo siya maglaro, parang, Parang kung sabi mo lang kahapon, medyo hindi ka okay mentally. But then, when you step into the court, and more especially pag hindi pa, pag kami yung magkalaban, parang may extra siyang hugot si Ishi.
Alam mo yung mga ace Cantonese
Target
Parang doon dinala.
Even nung last conference pa sabi namin, sa Ilocos ba yun? Ay, Ilocos tayo naglaban.
Sa on tour.
Sabi ko, Chenny, huwag ka na nga pumasok muna kasi ang galing ni Ishi, nanggigigil
Ano ginawa mo?
Diba,
Kanina umaga.
Kaya sabi ko, pero I admire most about Sexy Ishi rin, when she
Breakout
stepped.
year.
Yeah,
diba?
and it's
Ni
really like
Casey.
a different person, which I know, again, that's why I admire those people na pag off the court, it's their authentic self, personality nila, masayahin, makulit. Pag umapak, parang naging beast. Parang biglang, you have that.
May alter ego.
Alter ego, which is super, I admire talaga that.
Okay. Who's next?
Kayo, bata topic.
Pick. Buto, pick.
Dahil panalo si
Eh,
Baby
panalo ka.
Ganyan talaga. It's her
Oo,
show.
dahil
Ang
panalo
galing.
ka.
It's her show. Her rules. Her
Alam
rules.
mo, Becky
Number 5. Okay. Kapag may konting clashing, sino yung peacekeeper or mediator on court or off sa group? Share with us how they keep the peace.
Wala po, war freak sila lahat.
Nag-away. Wala nga.
Hindi. I think si Dani pa din.
Talaga?
Kasi she's very level.
Mom na mom.
Yeah.
Feeling ko ikaw nga actually yung answer ko.
Ako?
Sige, yeah, go.
Sige, make the case for
Yeah,
each other. Sige nga,
defend.
debate.
Si Dani kasi she's very level-headed kasi. And she knows how to be neutral and like understand each other's points. So that's why I'd say it's her.
Oh, bakit naman si Faith?
Ako si Faith kasi like what I said, she's wise beyond her years and again, she's the same manner. If she's saying na I'm neutral, she's also that person na, parang before she speaks her mind, she's gonna like try to hear both sides or like kung ano man talaga yung problem. And before siya mag-input, parang iniintindi niya muna, which is I think is really like important to have, especially sa pro kasi wala na senior Like sa pro, parang nawawala rin hindi naman nawawala, pero
You're on your own.
yeah,
You're kind
you're
of
really on your own. Yeah,
Mm.
and you really have to have be your own person and also stand your ground, which sometimes I think is hard for other people na parang they just, keep quiet and then they don't even like let out now what's bothering them. But
Yeah.
sa pro kasi hindi ka na rin yung parang, ibi-baby ka na parang, what's wrong with you? Yung wala na
Yeah,
tayo
wala.
ganun
We also
diba?
have to remember na yung pro league natin is still in its technically baby stages
Yes,
din, di ba?
exactly.
Wala pang parang 15, 20.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, na parang sobrang, yung mga example, yung mga vets na vets talaga. So, basically, we're all still parang learning this
talaga.
whole
Even
thing,
diba, the ates, yung older than us, they're also on the learning. So, it's also parang for me, kampante ako na when, I have problems, I can talk to Faith and she can
So, kayong
try
dalawa
to
yung
mediate.
neutral, yung
Yeah.
dalawa yung pampagulo.
Ito.
Parang tama yun.
Tama ba yung description ko?
Payag ko, ginagawa.
Oo nga, payag ka. Hindi ako papayag.
Instigator.
Narinig ko yan.
Instigator.
Payag ka, hindi ka papayag.
Yan pala yun. Okay, no choice si Chen, di ba?
Choice na ako
ba?
sa number 8.
Sige, sa 8 tayo. When the going gets tough, how do you support each other? Lalo na sa mga panahong pressured kayo sa volleyball. Can you share an experience na may pinagdadaanan kayo tapos sila talaga ang sumulo sa inyo? Maraming pressure sa volleyball. Whether via a team, something individual, internal, na maraming hindi alam ng tao, di ba? So, you guys are always under spotlight, pressure, whether vet or rookie, di ba? Ano, meron ka bang naalala?
Sa akin yung namin, yung on tour. Kasi nga sila parang tatlo dapat yung libero namin. Yung isa nag-alas. Tas parang for me, si Ate Dani talaga yung, alam mo yun, kinakapitan ko that time. Na parang sabi ko, kasi first conference ko yun na maglaro talaga sa PVL. So sabi ko, feeling ko mas madami akong matututunan sa kanya. And ayun man, natutulungan naman niya ako.
Pupunta pa yan sa room kasi roommate ko si Ivy.
Oo, pumunta ako sa room.
Mamaya, may si Ivy to Parang si Jenny, sabi ko.
Parang may clean buhok, ano?
Then nag-start. Biglang nag-charter si Ivy.
Oo, tapos sabi ko, paano ba, kunwari, sobrang kaba ko na, kasi may mga times na kinakabahan ako, kasi nga,
Sure.
rookie Tapos sabi ko, kinakabahan ako. Sabi niya, huwag kang kakabahan dyan. Tapos, biglang may time na, sobrang likot na namin, ganyan, sobrang saya namin. Tapos bigla niya, ayan, sasaya-saya ka na naman pag pinasok ka naman.
So, kaya,
Ano ba to? Parang bawal maging masaya.
Ganyan siya lagi sa akin.
Oo, ganon. Parang doon ko nakita na talagang sobrang bait. Sobrang bait ni Ate Dani. As in, madami ka matutunan
kasi
sa kanya.
namin Like,
Oo.
our role kasi sa team, especially sa Akari now, is really like, we have the main gunners, but we have to be prepared sa second six.
of
So,
course.
yun yung sinasabi ni Chenny na parang pag, asaya namin, pag nakaka-score kami, ang layon lamang yan. Tapos mamaya, sabihin ko sa kanya, ganyan-ganyan ka, mamaya pag ikaw pinaserve, magja-jump serve ka pa naman pag ikaw. Tapos mababad trip na siya. Kasi sabihin niya, ano ba yan, ang mega mo na naman. Sabi ko, hindi, sinasabi ko lang mamaya.
May mga times po kasi na kumari yung score 23, tapos magsaserve yung middle, sabi, Chenny, ready. Tapos yung score 23 kami, yung kalaban 24, Diyos ko po.
Familiar. Pero piniprep ko na siya, nandun pa lang kami. So that's me, of like, my way of helping her and, be really mentally
Parang
prepared.
maging ready na. Ready ka na. Tama na yung pagkakulit mo dyan.
Balance.
Okay, doon tayo sa behind the
Eto na.
jersey. Sige, balik pa tayo kay Ishi o gusto mo i-mix up? Ano
Mix
gusto mo?
up natin.
Chen ulit.
Chen ulit.
Okay.
Last
Number
issue, last
9.
Sige, 9. Like, winning a match point, kailan nyo na-feel yung moment na grabe, napakaswerte ko na friends ko sila. Yan. Lalo na sa'yo dahil rookie ka.
Meron ba?
Sa akin, kung
Wala pa. Sagot niya, wala pa.
wala pa siguro masyado kasi nga
Nagde-develop pa lang.
nagde-develop pa lang kami, pero sobrang thankful ko talaga kay Ate Dani and gusto ko siyang mas tumagal pa. Sana huwag ka na umalis.
Hindi, sabi ko, syempre,
Hindi, kasi may naman siya.
may
yung
partner ako who's like
Oo.
long distance. So I think, yun yung
Sabi ko
pero
nga
wala
sa
pa,
kanya.
guys.
Hindi pa naman. Sa akin, parang wag muna. Kasi nga, gusto ko siyang makasama. Ngayon, sa Akari na, pares kami na sa Akari. And mas tumagal yung friendship namin and mas marami kaming mabuo and magawa dun sa...
Samahan.
Yes, ganun.
Okay. Who's next? Faith. Okay. 11. Ano yung mga maliliit na bagay na ginagawa ng barkada na sobrang na-appreciate nyo kahit hindi nyo napapansin minsan?
Well,
Small things.
Yeah. At the state I'm in right now, since I'm not playing, I'm injured, and
Yes.
the little things na pag kinakamusta ako, kasi I rarely hear that nowadays, and parang people often see me as, she's okay, okay lang yan si Faith, ganyan. But when they ask, how are you, and we get to talk, ayan, doon ko na-appreciate.
Outlet mo siya.
Yeah, kasi nga, as Danny said, I'm not really a social butterfly na makipag-usap. So I'd really appreciate it na I have an outlet.
And somebody checks up, she checks up on, or the guys check up on
Yeah, I
you.
really appreciate that.
Oh,
when they
dahil
do that.
matagal ka na namin, namimiss ka na namin makita maglaro. Sa
Yeah.
totoo lang. I'm sure
Mga open
namimiss.
hitters yung barkada ko.
Oo nga, no?
Yes.
Ano ba to? By design ba yan?
Na-realize ko rin bakit parang lahat open
nga ba?
outside? Sabi ko ba kasi kami yung nagre-receive. So, nafe-feel namin lahat yung pain and struggles na pumasa.
Tama.
Mahirap pumasa, guys.
Mahirap pumasa. Okay.
Yan yung mga kasama ko.
Interesting. Okay, next.
12
Ishi,
ate, 12.
what's a message you'd like to share na sa tropa, something na maaalala pa rin ninyo 10 years from now? Yan. 10 years from now.
10 years from now, huy,
Uy,
ilang taon na tayo nun? 33?
doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Ang message ko is, sana yung 10 years na yun is madami tayong mas nabuong memories together. Kasi itong friendship na din, parang unexpected. So, nilook forward ko na may mas deeper din and makita natin yung meaning kung bakit tayo nabuo, ganyan. Parang, babalikan natin yung mga gantong memories natin kapag tumanda na tayo.
Have you gone on a trip na
Not yet, not yet.
Yan ang mga
Yeah.
sarap
Yes.
planuin.
Actually,
no?
Kuya
Na hindi palengke, ah.
I love adventure din yun.
Oo naman, oo naman.
Adventure yung mga
Oo naman,
fish.
oo naman.
Hindi lang
Oo naman.
nagsiswim.
Nature trip daw.
But ako rin, I'd like to end it rin since they all answered like really questions na I would treasure, especially when I look up to each and every one of them. Pero yun, in 10 years siguro, I'm really like blessed na I get to say na ito yung mga taong mga kwento ko. Even if hindi na volleyball,
Yeah.
yung mga papagkwentuhan namin sa mga future kids namin, you know, mga namamalengke kami ni Faith sa college, yung mga takas na, yung mga
Nadulas ka dun.
tumatakas
Oops,
kami.
oops,
Mga tumatakas kami pag may training, tapos sabihin namin rest. Joke lang. Pero yon, and I'd like to add na these are the people na, I don't know if I told you guys this, pero sila kasi, they're really like breadwinners of their family. And yun siguro yung mga hugot na I'm very blessed and I know na, you know, ito yung mga taong inaalagaan nila yung family nila. They play not only for
themselves,
themselves,
yeah.
but, you know, they earn money, they work hard, not just for themselves, but to build their family houses, to
Right.
be able to like
give back.
to give back. And that's something na I look up sa inyo kasi that's ako sila mommy, diba?
Yeah.
Right now, I'm really privileged and I get that, yun nga, nepo baby. But I take it in alam niyo yan, but I take it in na parang there are a lot of women here in the sport that where you are, and kayo yon na hindi lang sarili niyo yung pinapaglaruan, or hindi lang sarili niyo yung hugot nyo. It goes beyond yourselves and I admire that so much to be able to wake up every day na ang una nyong iniisip is hindi yung sarili nyo. Iniisip nyo yung family nyo, yung ano yung future na pwede nyo pang mapagandas para sa family nyo and your own family in the future. So, I just wanna say I'm really thankful for you guys.
Yeah.
Na even if
Respect.
hindi ko sinasabi yun, but
Ito na, sinabi
ito na, sinasabi ko na. Kaya, yeah, I just wanna say na just keep doing. You know, I'm always here. I'm always this Ate Dani na kahit makulit ako, I'm always like one call away type of friend. And you
Even
guys
at 4
know that.
a.m..
Yeah, 4 a.m., 3 a.m., whatever, diba? We can do whatever.
Hindi ka
So,
sure.
yun, diba? So, I just wanna
Tama-tama
say
yan.
that.
We can check this episode in 10 years.
In 10
oh, di ba?
years.
Pwede.
Same pa rin.
Pwede. Okay, dami nyo ng pinagdaanan together. You just said it, you're blessed. You must be very lucky that you have friends like these. And kapag solid ang friendship, hindi lang ngayon ang tinitignan natin, we also look years ahead. Kaya this time we go above the net. Okay, let's take a glimpse of the future. Ikaw din, Danny, at ang, syempre, tropa mo. Kumbaga, beyond the games, beyond today, paano nyo i-execute ang next play ng life nyo? Anybody can answer this question. Kung meron kayong reunion tradition every year, kung magkakaroon man, di ba? Sabi nga, in 10 years' time, anong klaseng activity ang tingin nyong gagawin nyo? Kung magkakaroon kayong, what would be that fun activity? Or
Arena plus podcast pa rin.
Wow! Yeah.
Diba? In 10 years,
Sama niyo ako, ah.
uulit. Sabi,
Yes.
10 years,
Yeah.
Kuya Boom.
10
Kasama ko
We
pa
will
rin.
revisit
Ito,
our,
yes.
Schedule na yan.
Magandang sagot yan. Okay, sige. Ito na lang. What's the one thing you still want to try and experience together as friends? Kasi sabi nyo nga, marami pa kayo hindi nagagawa. You guys are also busy, different teams, all that. Pero sabi ko kanina, magandang plano to. Anong naiisip niyong pwede na masaya? Masaya kaya kung gawin natin to. Ganun.
Sa akin, kung mabibigyan kami ng mahabang break, siguro gusto kong makasama si Ate Dani sa Siargao. Kasi yun yung favorite niyang puntahan.
Destination. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Siargao.
I would say the same. I've never been to Siargao.
That's also a good reason to go.
That's why.
Tara na, mag-Siargao na tayo.
Bye! Bye, guys!
Bye po.
Uwi na po kami.
dahil gusto niya Siargao, dahil natin doon yung naudlot na luto. Doon tayo magluto sa
Ah, doon tayo
Siargao.
Yes.
Magandang
They know
plano
kasi
yan.
I love the beach, I love the island, and Siargao has been one of my safe space talaga. And lagi ko sinishare kasi yun sa kanila na alam mo,
kayo.
after nung stressful season, pumupunta ng Siargao, wala akong ginagawa, 2 weeks na ako nandun. Ano lang ako, like, buhay island, I just wake up,
Probinsya.
swim, ganyan. And, yeah, I just wanna take them there kasi I feel like we'll all enjoy it and that's something na, sabi nga nila, diba, when you travel, that's where you meet people more and in depth pa talaga. So, gusto ko yun, yung mga mas madaming stress, yung mga nafe-feel natin kasi dun matetest yung friendship namin.
Faith, you wanted to say?
Oh yeah, for sure. Kasi when we travel, totoo yun na yung friendship nyo as a group, dun talaga matetest.
Natatawa ako kasi nai-imagine ko, si Faith, I feel like she's the type talaga yung may itinerary na, and then kami
Siargao.
kasama niya.
Yes.
Oh my, si
Lahat ng
Faith yung
plano. Walang matutuloy.
Very organized.
Si Faith yung magiging mom.
Very
Kaya,
structured.
bigla nung sinabi, pwede to. Parang,
Parang
Faith
kami
yung
tagasunod na lang.
Tetes ka namin.
Ako yung matetes pala.
No? Kasi yung
siya
structured na
talaga
plano mo.
Si Faith yung very organized, let's do this today para we get a lot stuff done. Tapos kaming tatlo yung kasama niya. Hindi, spontaneous tayo.
Yes, konti lang.
Walang matutuloy sa listahan.
Matutuloy.
Okay. All right. If life gets in the way, and it will get busier for sure, especially the more that you play, paano nyo sisiguraduhin na kayo na hindi mawawala ang connection nyo kahit simpleng mga bagay-bagay lang? Because life will get busy. And you're going to have your own individual, di ba, wants and di ba, lives. So, how do you make sure na, okay, hindi mawawala yung mga connection nyo?
Oh, well, I'm like what Faith said. Yung simple na how are you, kumusta ka, that can change someone's day. So I guess I know I'm not gonna stop doing that. Even like si Ishi from a different team, mas lalo na ako mangangamusta sa kanya kasi, at least si Faith and si Chenny, lagi ko nakasama. I can talk to them personally. Pero yun nga, yung mga long distance friendship, like with Ishi, that can change her day. And also, I know na she can also talk to me with whatever, even if hindi siya related sa volleyball. And I feel like this will definitely start a more like in-depth friendship kahit na magkakaiba kami ng teams.
And you also never know sometimes, as you know,
Maliit
because
lang
in a
yan.
professional league, di ba, you may be teammates
Diba?
along the way.
Liit lang
May
ng
mahihiwalay
volleyball.
din kayo. Yung may mga ganun na pwedeng mangyari. So I guess, okay. Any other answer in terms of how do you make sure na yung connection nyo ay matibay pa rin?
Feel ko sa akin. Yeah, same. The small
Chismis.
things matter kasi po.
Chismis.
Feeling ko chismis.
Parang pag may nalaman ako biglang, ayan, magpa-pop up na sila.
Ayan na. Ayan na to.
Pero beside doon, siguro the small things nga, like, kinakamusta ka, or kaya, kunyari may story siya, ilalike ko, so makikita niya yung name ko nag-pop up sa kanya. So it means na I care and I see her pa rin, ganyan.
Ganun pala
Ayan.
yun.
Ganun si
Yes.
Ishi. Lagi siya and
Pansinin mo ako.
girl talaga siya. Yung parang hype. Oh my God, ate, ganda mo. Yung parang ganun. And always see it. I love those people kasi nga.
Okay.
So, I'm excited for what's in store for me and my friends.
You should, Danny. Pero syempre, hindi kompleto yung laro natin kung walang konting thrill. Kaya let's take it away with our rapid fire question.
Inaaral po talaga nila yan, guys.
Okay, ito na guys. Rapid fire round. Let's hit a home run with our podcast. Mabilis ang tanong, sabay-sabay ang sagot. Walang safe zone. Wala mo ng kaibigan. So you can't ask Danny for clues. So ready na?
Ready na
Ready
ako.
na? Okay, ako mauna.
Oh, sige.
Okay. First impression ko kay Danny was...
Maingay.
Okay. Favorite quality kay Danny ay?
Magkape.
Pakape.
Pakape siya.
Okay. The certified laging late na kaibigan sa grupo nyo ay si...
Wala.
Walang late. Lahat
Ito
maaga.
kay Eshi. Pinaka-utu-utu sa pag-ibig ay si...
Dani!
Danny. Lahat yung nasagot. Okay. Sino certified baby ng tropa?
Ako, Faith.
Si Daddy.
Si Danny rin? Talaga?
Ako, if hindi si Danny, ang gusto kong maging tropa na volleyball player ay si...
Interesting.
If hindi ikaw? Ikaw pa din, te.
Sige, tama. Ikaw pa rin.
Hot pot.
Yes, may extra order yan si mamaya.
Okay. Kung biglaan tayo mag-trip bukas, sinama yung sarili, no? Unang pupuntahan natin is...
Nataya ka dito. Okay, game. Kailangan natin ng spiker from the barkada. Kunin natin si...
Ako.
Yeah.
Oo,
Parang bumalik na siya.
Yes!
Gigil na maglaro si Faith. Namimiss ka na namin, Faith. Trust me. Okay. Oh, sino pinaka-competitive?
Dani.
Si Ate Dani.
Talaga. Saan competitive?
Sa lahat.
In life.
Sa lahat.
Okay. In
Ito,
life.
laging pabudol si...
Ti Dani.
Dani.
Ganon.
Ako yung mga...
Kaya niya.
Budolera.
Pinaka-marites.
Dani.
Katu. Spider-Man eh. Spider-Man yun eh. Lahat kayo. Lahat kayo guilty.
Kaya magkakasundo.
Lahat kayo.
Si Ivy po.
Wala dito. Yun ang pag-usapan.
Wala hindi defend yung sarili. Game. The certified mom ng tropa is...
Ate Dani.
Ate Faith.
That's Ate
Danny,
Faith.
Faith.
Yes,
Oh, aminado
yes.
si
Oh,
Faith.
yeah.
sabi niya.
Crowned.
Okay, need pala ng blocker from the barkada. Kunin natin si...
Ako.
Si Chenny.
Chenny.
Actually,
Kablock
no?
siya. Yeah.
Yes! Soccer!
May tingin pa.
Wow.
Ayun pa ganyan ba siya?
Tingin
Our
pa.
funniest inside joke na kahit di gets na iba, tawang-tawa tayo.
Wala naman.
Oh,
Parang
ay,
Titingnan lang. Eye contact.
Parang
Tingnan
yun ang
lang.
nakuha ko from your...
Yeah.
Yung mga ganun na, yung
Tingnan
parang
lang talaga.
awkward silence. Tingin. Yeah. Tatawa.
Okay, ito, to finish, a word to describe your friendship is...
Crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy, yeah.
Crazy.
For sure.
Crazy.
Meron bang iba? May gustong sabihin eh. Parang may gusto eh. Ilabas mo yan.
Wala pa sa ngayon.
Ilabas mo yan.
Kailangan mag-deep muna.
Okay. Ishi, meron? Meron ba? Crazy. Okay. Nice one, guys. Solid talaga. Nakikita natin your crazy friendship, Danny.
Thank
Okay.
you, Tiga Boom.
Okay. Danny, from being a volleyball player, now co-host at syempre, mom ng group or baby ng group. Ang dami. Ang dami mong roles. Thank you for today as well as, of
you
course,
so
your friends at
much.
lahat ng mga friends
Thanks,
nyo na wala rin
guys.
dito. I wish that we could do this again in 10 years.
Yes!
Diba?
Guys, every 5 po.
Para,
Arena
ano,
Plus.
At kayo naman mga ka-serve, anong role nyo sa barkada? Share your thoughts here at The Serve on Spotify. Kasi The Serve nyo rin ang mga quality time with your katropa.
Thank you, Kuya Boom. Thank you, guys, for today. And, of course, thank you, everyone who's watching, for hanging out with us.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye.
Next time.
Bye. Thank you.
The Crazies.
The crazy.